How to make money on Fiverr. Today I will tell you about how to make money on Fiverr. If you work remotely and know how to make money on Fiverr, your earning potential is endless. With Fiverr, you can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skills to use and of course get paid. Despite what you think, you can earn way more than $5 a job with Fiverr. Some freelancers are paid hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So as you can see, Fiverr's infamous $5 reputation is thankfully long gone. Listen up, digital nomads, travelers and job seekers. Fiverr is a great way to utilize your skills while earning a bit of extra cash on the side. So let's dive a bit deeper and learn how to make money on Fiverr. Listen up, digital nomads, travelers and job seekers. In this post, I'll show you what the platform is all about, how to get started, and what sort of jobs are available on Fiverr, including the top most lucrative and popular gigs. First of all, in order to make money from Fiverr on Fiverr, you should know what is Fiverr so that you can easily earn money from it or earn a lot of money from it. So what is Fiverr? To put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On the site, you will find millions of gigs for every type of skill. Whether you are a designer, web developer, lawyer or even a musician, Fiverr has something up your alley. On Fiverr, the offered services are referred to as gigs, and many of them started at just $5 each, hence the name of the company. However, this is just the base pay. You will find plenty of gigs that pay in the same comparable range as other job service sites. By connecting sellers directly with freelancers, Fiverr has grown to become one of the largest websites to offer an online service exchange. Its popularity in the industry makes it a desirable way to earn money while traveling, as a side gig and even professionally. So you should also know to earn money on Fiverr that how does Fiverr work? Do you have a special talent or skill that others would find useful? Maybe you are good at designing logos, websites or wedding invitations, or perhaps you can help business with their social media or HR strategy. Whatever your talent is, Fiverr gives you the opportunity to share those skills with the rest of the online world. And best of all, you can make money while doing what you love. The process of finding Fiverr jobs is fairly straightforward. But first, it's important to understand the two different parties involved in the transaction. Here's how Fiverr works. Sellers. If you are a freelancer looking for work, then you are what Fiverr considers a seller. A seller can list any type of service they want along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depend on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. Buyers. If you are looking to purchase a service, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to be completed, whether it's a specific task, job, or project. They can be businesses, companies, or even individual people. On Fiverr, buyers hire sellers in order to help them accomplish their work. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means that both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profiles for sellers that meet their requirements, or a seller can look through buyer requests for tasks that match their skills. Once a buyer and seller find each other, they will agree on a set goal, time frame, and price. Then it's up to the freelancer to do what they do best: work, work, work. How to get started on Fiverr? Making money as a Fiverr seller is easier than ever. By completing the following steps, you can be up and running with Fiverr in no time. Register for a new account. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. So your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information and details, you will receive an email confirmation link. After you confirm your new account, it's time to start browsing for work. Next is create a seller profile. Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyers. Essentially, you need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first thing buyers see when deciding who to hire, so make your first impression a good one. Send offer to buyers. Although you can sit back and relax while buyers look through your profile, you will get more gigs if you work proactively. Some buyers will post a request for a service which explains what they need to be done, when they need it, and how much they are willing to pay. As a seller, you can browse these requests and send offers directly to the buyer. How much does Fiverr cost? Creating an account with Fiverr is completely free. This is one of the best features of the website. It won't cost you a penny to browse or see what gigs are available. As a buyer, you pay Fiverr upfront for the cost of the gig, as well as an administration fees, and the fee will depend on how much you are paying for the gig. The fee for gigs under $40 is $2 or 5% on gigs above $40. For example, if you are willing to pay $10 for a blog article, you will pay $2 to Fiverr before hiring a seller. As a seller, you will be paid after the gig has been successfully completed. It's important to note that you will only be paid 80% of the total order value. Fiverr keeps the other 20% as a commission fee. For example, a buyer offers $10 for a blog article. Once completed, you will be paid a final amount of $8. So that's all was the how to make money on Fiverr.